The Ponda JMFC court on Tuesday granted bail to accused Pooja Naik and Ajit Satarkar, who are booked by Mardol police in a case of cheating on the pretext of providing government job. Both have been released on the personal bail bond of 20,000 rupees each and a surety of like amount each. Later on, Bicholim police taken Pooja Naik into custody for interrogation in another cheating case registered by Bicholim police, and investigation in this matter is going on. On the other side, another similar cheating case on the pretext of providing government job, which is registered by Ponda police, 0 FIR is forwarded to Panji police, and in which Prakash Rane is an accused for cheating 40 lakh rupees on the pretext of providing government job. But Panjim police is still awaiting for Prakash Naik to take into custody to interrogate, as he is undergoing treatment in Mapsa District Hospital. Mukesh Kumar for Prudent.